Audit any page in minutes with multiple AI models working in a single workflow using N8N and Straico, producing a technical SEO and content report that is ready to use. For simplicity, we'll start this workflow with a form node, but you can use any node, or if you want to audit several links, you could use a Google Sheets file with multiple rows. The important thing is that we have two fields, the link and an email address to send the information to. Pro tip: if you don't want the N8N branding to appear on the form, you can disable this option in the options settings on the node. After we finish configuring and testing the node, we will enable the pin option to reuse the data in the following nodes. Now an HTTP request node will serve as a basic web data extraction to carry out the different analyses. We add our first Straco node to perform the technical audit. One of Straco's big advantages is that we can use up to 4 AI models in a single node. For our technical audit, we will configure 2 different models, Anthropic's SONNET and OpenAI's GPT-5 Nano. This will allow us to obtain 2 distinct perspectives of the same HTML code at the same time. This prompt asks for a technical analysis of the HTML divided into 3 sections. Critical issues that must be addressed immediately, quick wins or high-impact quick improvements, opportunities for improvement that require more effort. And thus we obtain actionable and well-organized information. All these prompts can be found in the video description and on our web platform. Once we have the results from both models with a technical audit, we will use another Straco node to combine these responses. This allows us to take the best of each analysis and create a consolidated technical audit. In this node, we configure a single model that will review the model's responses, identify the strengths of each, and generate a single report that retains the original structure but is more complete and precise. This prompt reviews all responses to identify common themes and central ideas, extract the strongest points, integrate them into a unified and coherent answer. Following the same logic as with a technical audit, we configure another Straco node to perform the content audit. But now we use 2 different models that have distinct strengths for the creative analysis portion: Gemini from Google and a GPT from OpenAI. This prompt generates an SEO content analysis divided into 2 sections. First, in content quality, keyword research and analysis, and readability analysis. And second, in recommendations organized by priority. With the aim of obtaining a complete, structured, and actionable assessment. Just like the technical audit, we use another Straco node to combine the results of the 2 models that analyze the content. This node takes the responses from both models and creates a single consolidated content audit. We use a combining prompt like the one we used previously, since that structure works well to have a final composite version of the responses from multiple models. Once we have our 2 consolidated audits, technical and content, we will use edit fields nodes. With the merge node, we will combine both data streams to avoid duplicating executions in subsequent nodes. And with the add node, we will merge both analyses into a single object, thus having all the information in one place. To make our report visually appealing when we email it, we convert the content from Markdown format to HTML. This conversion allows us to maintain the structured formatting of our audits when viewed in an email client. Finally, we use a mail node to automatically send the results of our audit to the email address provided by the user in the initial form. In this way, the user receives a professional email with a complete SEO audit report, all generated and sent automatically by our N8N workflow. In a very short time, we have created an SEO audit system that leverages 4 AI models to offer technical and content analyses from multiple perspectives. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming tutorials. Leave your comments with ideas or what other automations you'd like to see. Visit Straco to discover how to integrate AI in marketing and SEO and take advantage of the free plan to start today. In the description, you'll find links to the presented workflow and to Straco. See you in the next video.